Can I please get a Megan's Mango Protein Refresher in a size medium?
Medium mango pineapple refresher. How would you like that? With a green tea, protein milk, lemonade, or sparkling water?
I want the Megan's Mango Protein Refresher.
All right. Anything else for you?
I want the chocolate golden donut. And I want the sweet black pepper wake up wrap.
I'm missing something. What am I missing?
The donut.
I have the medium mango pineapple refresher, protein milk,
and the golden chocolate donut.
That's it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Sorry about that.
It's okay.
See you at the window.
Okay, thank you. See you at the window. Tidy. Almost my turn. Yippee. There, I said please that time. Is that better for you guys? Hello.
Hello. Medium mango pineapple with protein milk and seasonal, black pepper wake up wrap and specialty.
Yeah.
It's 12.50. Sorry.
It's okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Okay. Whoa, people, this is how you get out of here, not how you go in. Thank you for going to the drive-thru with me. Much love.